Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we're always breaking down the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market for you. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current state of Bitcoin's market sentiment and what it might mean for its future price movement. Bitcoin's price has dropped significantly over the past 24 hours, losing around 5.7% as it fell below recent highs. But that's not the only concern. Since its all-time high in January, BTC has plummeted by a staggering 24.7%, showing clear signs of ongoing bearish pressure in the market. One tool analysts are keeping an eye on is the CryptoQuant Bull Score Index, which measures market sentiment for Bitcoin. And according to CryptoQuant analyst Giulio Morno, this index has been flashing some very worrying signals. It's currently sitting at just 10, well below the critical threshold of 40, indicating severely bearish market conditions. But what does that mean in real terms? Well, when we're looking at a bull score index score closer to 100, it usually indicates highly bullish sentiment and strong buying momentum. But with this index now at just 10, investor confidence is noticeably weakened, suggesting caution in the short term for Bitcoin prices. Another indicator that's caught analysts' attention is the Spent Output Age Bands Indicator, or Spent Output for short. This measures the age of Bitcoin that's actively being moved or transacted, and when a large volume of older coins are suddenly moving, it can be a sign that long-term holders might be preparing to sell. And in this case, we're seeing some very concerning numbers. Over 1,057 Bitcoin that hadn't moved in 7-10 years just woke up, indicating potential increased selling pressure from long-term investors. Now, not everyone's predicting a catastrophic downturn, though. Some analysts, like crypto analyst Javan Marks, are pointing to the Relative Strength Index, or RSI for short, as evidence of growing bullish momentum. According to Marks, a breakout in the RSI could precede significant price increases, but it's worth noting that this view isn't universally shared among analysts. And then there's Titan of Crypto, who's issued a cautionary note of his own. He's warning that Bitcoin needs to maintain its position within a key support channel and keep the weekly RSI above important support levels to avoid further correction. If those conditions aren't met, Titan predicts that a deeper market downturn could ensue, causing additional challenges for traders and investors. So what does it all mean? Well, for now, at least, Bitcoin's market sentiment seems to be very bearish. And with both long-term holders and short-term traders keeping an eye on the price action, will the downward trend continue, or is a bounce on the horizon? We'll keep a close eye on these developments, as always, here at Bitcoin Bulletin. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you in the next video.